productive. But as you can see, they usually do them in a clear area, and this way is like a road. Now the grass grew because this is not a road anymore. They cut down all these trees, and now we're gonna go into the deer stand. Hello? Anyone in that deer stand? Don't shoot us, we're just people, and I'm wearing your color. Dang it, they got a door! They got a door. I don't want to go in that. Why are you making me do this, Steve? It's not. Looks like they left it open. Close before they come. That was scary, but we're gonna go back to home and show you a tour of the way that we came. 700, I think, meters through that, I'm guessing. But with all these things that you saw, a pond, a deer stand, a forest, a pine line, and many puddles. Walk past this. Now look at all this grass. It's all trees.